Hey, what's up guys? Just need to send this time back in the truck. So we are in today. Yeah, brother. It's the brother vehicle right here. So, this thing, I was gonna give you guys an update on what's up with it. So as you see, I got a new radio in here, which is pretty awesome. I got an actual Kenwood receiver that has DVD or CDs on it. And the only thing I can't figure out is the color on it. I want it to be red because it's a red truck, so like I want it to be red. I also put some new Kenwood speakers in here, so there, and on the other side over there, and in the back there. This is the old unit that I don't think I showed you guys, but this is like what it came with, which is a cassette player unit that has just basic tuning of it. Also, it has Dolby, which is kind of nice. But yeah, so this is my secondary vehicle. The Evo's in the shop right now, so I've been driving this since the last video. Yeah. I mean, as far as that, I'm in the parking lot by myself here. So the thing about this is I've been trying to fix certain issues. I did fix the headlights, so now I got new headlights, which I will go ahead and show you guys momentarily here. That's the headlight switch right there, by the way, which is kind of interesting. But yeah, as far as that, I need a new one of these right here because this just kind of shakes, and then whenever you pull on this for the fog lights, it just fully comes out. So I don't know how to fix that necessarily. It's just old plastic is all it is. And we have a crack right here, which is not bad. And this right here, which is gonna be a pain. I think maybe I can take it out that side door over there because it has a double door. So I should be able to take it out of there. But on the off chance I cannot, it's gonna be an interesting fix right there. One thing also interesting is, I've kept this thing. I've tried to keep it as clean as I can. This is just junk right here, and the carpet, everything's spotless. I would say for the most part. It's got some hard stains, but I'll get it out eventually. But yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys the outer side here. So if you go ahead and get out of the truck here real quick. So my tires look pretty good. I need some new ones here soon. I lost all of these, so all of these fell off, which is interesting. They just snapped off is all. And the rust be looking a little crispy though, but it's getting better. We have the back here, a bunch of snow back there, just been piled in there. I've been trying to get most of it out, but it would not come out. And then need new taillight covers here, so I'm working on getting those. I actually really like these on here. They look like a Mustang. Yeah, there's another one there, the notorious rust there. And up here is the best part. So that's what I'm gonna show you guys mainly, was the new headlights. So this thing, it looked like this, it looked like that, but now they're really shiny, bright. I got them off of carpart.com. And so yeah, they're secured in there really well. They're solid, brand new, and they're hard plastic. And then hopefully soon I'll be able to go ahead and get the actual grill part replaced. But yeah, it's got a little bit of ways to go before then. Also, my door lock like froze, so that's why there's a bunch of WD-40 just chilling on my door. Yeah, while the Evo is in the shop, I will be driving this thing. So I figured I would get myself some new headlights and just try to make this thing as comfortable as I can while I'm waiting for the Evo. My second project car, and man, that's getting bad. I just looked up and I was like, oh, that's a big bubble right there. But yeah, it's my second car that I drive. My mom can drive it because it was hers, but she had a medical emergency that she could not drive this anymore. So now I'll be driving it from now on. So, but as far as that, I mean, this is a pretty flawless example compared to most. I mean, there's a lot of flaws to it. I mean, I'll let you. That's not some flaw. There's a major exhaust leak, and the thing with it is that I cannot find it. I have tried to put J-bolt on it just to secure it for now until I get a new exhaust. They quoted me $1,000 for a new exhaust, which I'm not feeling like paying $1,000 for this thing. And I've just thought about like just trying to get someone to fix it for me. But the other thing that's bad about it as well is the seals on the headers is kind of going bad as well, which is not the best. And then as well as that, just literally just a bunch of stuff. Like it's misfiring, and I can't tell if it's because of the cylinders or what. My key fob on here, I'll show you what. my key fob doesn't lock or unlock or panic because the theft system is and I don't know why. I've tried to relearn it and it will not relearn, and it's just super aggravating because whenever I'm trying, you know, lock and unlock, it won't do it. But yeah, I mean, that's the update for the truck for you guys. I'm gonna be doing more to it soon here, hopefully getting the exhaust fixed and then getting this dash fixed. So if you look here, it's a little dim towards the edges, just a little bit. And don't mind that. Don't mind that. It's a project truck. But yeah, the lights here are dim. Also, if you guys didn't know, this truck has only, let me focus there. This truck only has 129,000 miles, and I have driven it personally. I've reset the thing whenever I drove it. I've driven it 4,514 miles since I've been driving off and on, just trying to get this thing some miles on it, because, you know, it's just nice to have miles. I was looking at what that was. It's a little hanger. I didn't realize that this thing had hangers on the side, but, you know, you never know until you know, I guess. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a comment down below. If you did like this, I would appreciate you guys sharing this video with any other Ford drovers that you have. Yeah, I mean, I don't have a whole lot planned for this truck except for to restore it, but everything right now works for the time being. So let's hope that. Let's cross our fingers. But yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys have a good day and stay spooky, my friends. Don't die. Don't do that. But I'll see you guys.